Hi guys, just wanted to give you a quick idea of how you're going to dimension your wall. It's really important. So I've drawn a wall here. It's kind of a basic wall. This is the bottom corner of my wall. Here's obviously my lovely window I've made. And when we're dimensioning, we're trying to find the relative location of something in a wall. We always want to dimension from one corner. So we're going to dimension from this bottom left corner. And when I'm trying to figure out how far away my window is or where my window is located, I want to dimension like this. I'm going to dimension how far is it from here to here. So maybe I don't know how far that is. Let's just say that's 56 inches. Doesn't matter what it is. 56. I'm very bad at drawing with this tool, but you get the idea. And then I'm going to dimension it again from this bottom corner up. So I'm going to go this way, and that's obviously not as far. So I'm going to say that's 20 inches. So when you're measuring where your window's relative location is, that's how you're going to do it. You're going to do it from the bottom left corner of your wall. And everything you measure in your wall, you're going to start from that bottom left corner, because when we lay out our wall, we're going to hook our tape measure there and measure everything from that location. So hope this helps when you guys are trying to figure out the relative location of your window or door. Take it easy, guys.